So it is going to be a 12 minutes CrossFit. We have 4 movements. We will be doing it one movement for 40 seconds, then 20 seconds rest. Then the second movement 40 seconds, 20 seconds rest, likewise. Okay. We do 3 rounds which make up your 12 minutes. Okay. Alright. The first movement is squat and kick. So the rhythm of the workout is going to be like that. Watch it. So legs are shoulder width apart. Now from here, you lift your leg up, kick, bring it back. And as you bring it back from here, you squat. Lift up the other leg, kick, bring it back, squat. Now in the workout, you can do it slightly faster. Observe. Kick, squat, kick, squat, kick, squat. Alright, yes. Let's do 2 on each side. Make sure when you kick, you kind of open your leg, bring it back and down. Okay? You need to open your leg completely. Let's try it. 2, 3 kicks and squats on each side. Yes, kick harder. Good. Okay. I think we are good. Relax. The next movement is a devil press. For this, you would need one single dumbbell. We will be doing devil press not on single hand but with both the hands. Okay. Let's observe how. Okay. So, this is your one single dumbbell. Place it here like this. Now from here, to begin the workout, what you do is you go down, legs back, legs forward, lift the dumbbell straight up, bring it down. Again, legs back, legs forward, lift the dumbbell straight up. Alright, let's practice that. Do 2 devil press right now, everyone. Yes, one single dumbbell lifting with both the hands up.
Ma'am, can I use my bottle for now?
Yeah. You can use water bottle also if you don't have a dumbbell. Yes, good. Okay, relax. Okay, let's move to the next movement. Okay, the next movement is your single arm thruster. Okay, and how are we going to do it? So you hold one single dumbbell, bottle, whatever you have. In one hand, legs are shoulder width apart. One hand is stretched out. This is a must, otherwise your body will start dropping like this. This is to balance your body, okay? Elbows like this, elbows not out, elbows like this. Now from here, bend down, thrust up, bend down, thrust up, bend down, thrust up. Yes? Let's do 2, 3 on both the sides. Right now, yes. Good. Good, Dipen, good. Yes. Good, Vikram. Yes. Very good, Mansi. Nice. Okay. Mansi, one pointer here. Just observe. In the thrusters, how we do is, so this is not a shoulder press, it's a thruster. So what you do is just watch the flow. You go down, thrust up, down, up. Okay. Don't do this, down, coming here and taking it up. Don't do this. Okay. When you are going down, from here only you are applying the force to take it up. Okay. This is a CrossFit movement and that is a usual strength and conditioning movement. Okay. Not much of a difference, but yes, our functionality changes. Here we are concentrating more on the core. Okay. Next is your back lunges with weights. How? Both the weights together. You are going to hold it like this. Both the weights in your hand. Legs like this. Take one leg back, lunge. Come forward. Take other leg back, lunge. Bring it back. Back, lunge, back. Okay, yes. Let's try doing it. Hold the dumbbells in both the hands.
Ma'am, do the knees touch the ground or they
No.
are...
No. They almost start towards the floor, but they don't touch.
Okay.
Vikram, balance yourself. Yes. Okay, relax. Mansi, just observe. Others can also revise the movement. So the lunges look like this. So you are here. Take your leg back. Lunge. So you bend from your back leg. Bring it. back again. Okay, just observe. So I'll show you a static view, a wrong motion and a right one. So you are here. Now some might lunge like this. This is not a lunge. Okay, your front knee remains bent. From your back leg you go down, you come back up. From your back leg. This doesn't move here like this. Slightly up and down, yes, it will happen, but it will not move anywhere. Only your back leg goes down. Alright? Okay. Everyone else, let's start. Everybody, okay? Now I will revise the movements for you. How are we going to do it? The first movement is your kick and squat. So for first 40 seconds you are going to do alternate leg kick and squat. Then 20 seconds of rest. The second movement is your devil press. One single dumbbell down, hands down, legs back, legs forward, lift up the dumbbell. Okay, again go down. Repeat. You are going to do it for 40 seconds. The third movement, thruster, you are going to do 20 seconds on each hand. I'll tell you when to switch your hand. Okay. Last movement is your lunges. You are again going to do it for 40 seconds, alternate lunges. Okay. Alternate. Alright. Let's go for it, guys. First movement is your kick and squat. Get ready. Let me switch on my timer. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Kick and squat. Yes. Good. Yes, kick harder, everyone. $15 more seconds. Kick harder. Squat deeper. 10 seconds more. Don't rest your elbows on your thighs, Radhika. Relax. Rest. The next movement is your devil press. The movement that is, you take one single dumbbell, your legs back, your legs forward, and you lift it up. Okay? Let's get ready. Place your dumbbell, one single dumbbell on the floor. Start. Yes, good. Yes, very nice. Carry on, faster, faster. Yes, this movement has to be done faster. Ten more seconds. Relax. Okay, walk. Alright, the third movement is your single arm thruster, 20 on each side. Get ready, pick up one dumbbell, take your position, one hand out, one hand here, bend down in a squat and thrust up. Start. Yes, good. Good, Mansi, good, yes. In the squat, push your hips back, everyone. Yes, good, Radhika, good. Change your side, everyone. Yes, good. Relax. Okay. Third movement is your back lunges. You are going to hold 2 dumbbells or 2 water bottles in your hand. Okay, get ready. Start. Take your leg back. No, hands down. Mansi, hands down. Holding normal, yeah. Normally hold the bottles, yes. Back, down, yes. Take your leg further back. Show me a side view. Mansi, show me a side view. Keep doing that. Alternate, everyone. Yes. Take your leg further back, Mansi, not like this. Take your back leg further back, yes. 20 seconds more. Carry on, guys. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. One round done. 2 more to go. Get ready for the kick and the squat. All this while, chest out, back straight, shoulders rolled back. Get ready. 5 seconds to go. Start. Kick, squat. Kick, squat. Yes. Faster. Yes. Kick straight. Don't tilt your body. Kick straight. Yes. Yes. Try to actually hit. Vikram, lift your leg more. Lift your leg more. Yes. Yes. Better, better. Bharat, forcefully kick. Yes. You're actually going to hit someone. Kick like that. Yes. Good. Very good, Radhika. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, walk. The next movement is your devil press, one single dumbbell. So just observe in the devil press, when you go down, so you place your dumbbell here, go down, legs back. Now when you take your legs back, don't drop your torso. You need to stay in the plank pose. And come forward and lift your dumbbell straight up. Okay? Start. Devil press, everyone. Yes, very good. Dipen, don't let your torso drop. Be in control when you take your legs back. Yes, good, good. 20 seconds more. Faster, guys. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Next movement is your thrusters. Let's get ready. 10 seconds to go. Pick up one single dumbbell. Start. Bend down in a squat and thrust up. No, this movement, Mansi. Hand here. Yes. Bend down in a squat and thrust up. Yes. Good. Good. Carry on, carry on. Radhika, push your hips back more. Your knees crossing your toe line. Push your hips back, yes. 15 seconds more, everyone. Let's go for it. Down and up. Yes, down and up. Change your side. Change your side. Sorry, we did 5 seconds more here. Okay, carry on, carry on. Three, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, let's get ready for the lunges. Keep observing the movement. Observe it once more, everyone. So we are here. From here, take your leg back. Okay. Now when you go back, you will slightly lose your balance. That is where your core functionality comes into picture. And from here, bend down, come back. Take the other leg back. Bend down, come back. Okay. Don't do this going down and then again adjusting your legs or bringing it forward and adjusting. Don't adjust your legs too much. You need to let your core fight the balance. Start. Take your leg back, yes, lunge, come back. Yes. Mansi, you need to take your leg further back. Leave the bottles. Bottles or dumbbells are very secondary. Just practice your back lunges. Take your leg back further, yes, balance. Go down, come back up and come forward, yes. Carry on. Yes, leg back, down, up, 10 more seconds. Down, very good, Dipen, yes, up and back, yes. Have some space between your legs, otherwise you will lose your balance. Relax, everyone. Okay, walk, One last round to go. Get ready. The first movement is your kick and squat. Okay, start. Squat and kick, yes. Kick harder, squat deeper. Radhika, chest out, back straight. Keep your body stable as possible. Don't let it move too much. Yes, 10 more seconds. Yes. Faster, faster, guys, faster. This one can be done faster. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, the next movement is a devil press. So just observe few observations. So one single dumbbell here. Now when you go down, make sure you bend your knees and go down. Don't hunch your back and go down like that. You will hurt your lower back. You need to bend your knees, take your hands down, legs back. Okay, stabilize your torso, don't let it drop. Then legs forward. From here, lift the dumbbell straight up. Bring it down again. Bend your knees. Okay? Alright, start. Yes, good. Carry on, carry on. Mansi, bend your knees. You will hurt your lower back. Yes, good. 10 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. The next is your thruster. Get ready. 15 seconds to go. Okay, take your positions. Start. Down and up. Down and up. Yes. Faster. This one can also be done faster. You don't need to do the movement slow. 5 more seconds on this hand. Change. Yes, carry on, carry on. 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Next is your lunges. Get ready, balance yourself. So if you think you're losing out on your balance, you can do away with the dumbbells. Dumbbells are very secondary here. Okay, get ready, start. Take one leg back, lunge. Yes, come forward. Yes, again take another leg back. Yes, have some space between your legs, otherwise you lose out on your balance. Good, Vikram, good. Yes. Yes, good, Mansi, good, yes. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We are through with our workout of CrossFit, the first part. Relax yourself, have water. Okay. In the next part, we are going to do squat walk. We are going to do side lunges and side leg raises. Okay. Again, the workout is going to be for 3 sets. We will be doing it for 30 seconds movement and 30 seconds rest and 3 sets of it. Okay. Let's get started. The first is a squat walk. Just observe. In the squat walk, your legs are shoulder width apart. We are going to do side to side squat walk. So bend down in a squat and now start walking side to side. Okay, make sure that you don't join your legs. You always should maintain that squat and bend side to side. And also one another thing, just observe that when you are squatting, you will not go too deep. Don't start squatting like this. Okay, this will not be effective. You need to be slightly up and squat and walk like this. Okay, yes, let's do it. So 5 steps here, 5 steps there. Just adjust your positions, and total workout duration is 30 seconds. Okay, let's go for it. Start. So we'll be picking up one movement, 3 sets and so on. Yes. Radhika, bend down slightly more. Good, Vikram, good. Keep changing your side. 5 steps on left, 5 steps on the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Walk. Keep walking. You should feel it in your quadriceps or in your thigh muscle. That is what we are working on in particular. Okay, let's get ready for the second set. Take your position, squat and start. Yes, very good Radhika. Bend down deeper. Mansi, deeper. Thoda niche jao. Yes. Be in the squat. Yes. Good Vikram, good. Good Dipen, excellent. Carry on. Carry on guys. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Walk. Walk. Shake your legs. Keep walking. One last set remains. Again, it is side to side squat walk. Get ready. Take your position. Start. Yes. Bharat, deeper, deeper. बहुत ऊपर आ गए. Deeper. Yes, Mansi, deeper. Radhika, deeper. Go down, Mansi, go down. Don't give up. Yes. Good, good, good. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Well done. Walk. Keep walking. Okay. Alright. The next movement is your side lunges. We will try holding a table or something in the room for more range of motion in the first set. Okay, only in the first set. Everybody will do that. Okay, so what we are going to do is any table, chair, whatever is handy in your room. You don't need to search for it too much. So we just need to have some support. Okay, it can be a bed also. Widen your legs as much as possible in a comfortable position. Not too much that you feel a stretch in your inner thighs, but keep your legs wider. Place your hands on the table. Now from here, go down on one leg as deep as possible. And keep your body weight on the table and try to get up. And then bend down on the other leg as deep as possible and come back up. Everybody will do it with the table in the first set. Even if you do it nicely, still try holding something. It can be a wall also. So you can do it against the wall also. So widen your legs. Go down as deep as possible and with the help of the wall, try to come up. Okay, you can do it against the wall also. Let's do it 5 on each side, everyone. Yes, the pain that will increase the intensity because it is imbalance. It will increase the imbalance. You can do it against the wall. So just hold the wall and do it. Yes, 5 on each side. Bharat, hold your balcony wall. Why don't you hold that? Yes. Good, the pain, good, yes. Good. Vikram, go down further. Nothing will happen. Go down. Radhika, you need to not twist your body. So see, when you are doing side lunges, just observe. Ultimate, the goal is you are here. You don't need to twist your body. Your body stays there. You go down like this. Come back up. Go down like this. Come back up. Okay? You will not twist your body and do this. Okay? From here only, try going down. So take a support, go down as deep, yes, and come back up, yes. 5 on each. If you are done 5 on each, you will start walking. Okay, relax. Radhika, relax. Okay, in the next set, try doing it without support. And how? Widen your legs, hands stretched out. Now from here, go down as deep as possible on one side, come back up, and then go down as deep as possible on the other side and come back up. Okay? Even if you do this much, that is also fine. But make sure you're trying to push your hips back, go as deep as possible. Alright? Let's go for it, 5 on each. Without the support. Mansi, widen your legs more. Yes, widen them more. Bend down from your hips more. Bend down from your hips more. Push your hips back. Good, Bharat, good. Very nice, Dipen, excellent. Yes. Good, Vikram, good. Push your hips back more. Come up full. Come up full. Yes. Again go down on the other side, yes. Get up full. Again bend down on the other side, yes. Yes. Good. Okay, 5 on each done, then you can relax. The last set for this will be, we will be doing it for 30 seconds and try to score maximum count. So you will be doing the same movement but slightly faster and with full range of motion. So don't do half movement just to increase the count. You need to do this movement faster with full range. Okay, take your position, start. Bend side to side, yes. Deeper, deeper, Mansi, not like this, deeper. Bend down, go deeper, yes. Widen your legs more. Yes, good, good, good. Very nice, carry on, 15 seconds more, guys. Let's do that. Chest out, back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax, good. Okay, let's move to the next movement, which is your side leg raises. And how are we going to do it? It is a timed workout. So, you are going to hold one single dumbbell. Okay, hold one single dumbbell here. Place it on the thigh like that. You can do it against the wall also, or otherwise also standing like this. Raise your leg towards the side and bring it back. If you feel you are not able to balance yourself, just hold the wall like that. Just hold the wall. Raise your leg on the side, come back. Raise your leg on the side, come back. Now, observe. When you are, so dumbbell is very secondary. You may not even hold it. That is also fine. Just observe. When you are taking your leg on the side, the toe is pointing straight. Don't do this. Okay, this is not a side leg raise. We are working on our hip abductors. So raise it like this. Okay, slightly back and raised on the side. Okay, let's go for it, 5 on each side. Do it slow. Give it a slight pause as you go. The first set is 5 on each. Then we are going to have a timed workout. Yes. Keep your dumbbells touching your thighs. It should keep, yes, good, the pain, good. 5 on each. Bharat, you need to pause when you go up. Pause. Yes, good. Down. Up. Pause. Yes, down. It's better if you hold a wall or something. If you can, just hold that side wall while you're doing this. Okay. If you're done, drop your dumbbells, relax, 5 on each only in the first set. The second set, we are going to do 20 seconds on each side. Okay, let's get ready. Take your position. Ideally, hold a wall so that you can, you have a full range of motion of your leg. Radhika, hold a wall with the other hand. Go on the side, hold the wall. Not the bed, the wall. No, not the dumbbell. Only one single dumbbell, the other hand is against the wall. Turn on the side. Okay, start. 20 seconds. Yes. Yes, good. Good, good, good. Very nice. Pause for a second when you take your leg up, everyone. Relax. Change your side. Five seconds more. Okay, relax. All right. Now, one observation that when you are doing this, just observe that if I am holding a wall and I am doing this, whether you hold the dumbbell or not, you raise your leg like this. Don't do this. Alright, upper body stays there. You raise your leg, pause and bring it back. And when you are raising your leg, you raise it slightly at the back. Don't raise it here. You raise it slightly at the back. Okay? Yes? Let's do it. 20 seconds more. Yes, Radhika, this is better now. Okay, start. 20 seconds on one leg. Yes. Ten seconds more. Relax. Change your side. Start. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax. Okay. Walk. Now we will come to our core workout. In the core workout, we have three movements. One is your crab hold, then is your tiger crawl shoulder tap, and then is your tiger to crab. Just watch it. Crab hold. How are we going to do it? So you lie down like this. Legs folded, hands with fingers pointing out. Okay, hands here. Now from here, legs are shoulder width apart. Try to lift up your torso in 90 degrees and hold. Okay, try that your torso doesn't drop down, it is here. Okay, we are going to hold this position for 20 seconds. Take your position, everyone, lie down. So sit with your fingers pointing out. So fingers are pointing out, yes. Okay, start. Yes, very good, Dipen. Excellent. Hold it there, hold it. Don't come down and up. Hold it. Only hold it. Yes. Good, good, good. Keep breathing. Lift your torso higher. Bharat, lift your torso higher. Yes, keep pulling it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Okay. We are going to repeat this movement. Though in this we also do crab crawls, but that's a very risky movement. So in a virtual session we will not be taking that risk because it goes against the natural range of motion of a shoulder. So we will not be taking that risk. We will be doing it the holds only. Now observe that we did for 20 seconds. This time we are going to do it for 30 seconds. Make sure your torso doesn't come down and your neck is also stable. Don't strain your neck like that, okay? Your shoulders should be stable. Okay, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, start. Lift your torso up. Yes, very good, Vikram. Good, good, Mansi. Excellent. Yes, good, Bharat. Good. Push it up. Very nice, Dipen. Very nice. Hold it, hold it, hold it, guys. Keep holding it 10 seconds more. Keep breathing. Hold it, hold it. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly come down. Relax. Okay. Dipen, you have a plate lying there. So if you have a 5 kg plate, yeah. So take the plate and place it on your stomach. With the dumbbells, we can't take that risk. Yeah, you can do it. So what you do is, you are here, just place it right here, okay? And then take your hands back and pull your body up, okay? Try it. Maybe 2.5 or 5, whatever. Hold a lighter one. Place it on your stomach. Okay. Let's get ready. Third set, again 30 seconds hold. 3, 2, 1, start. Lift your torso up. Yes, yes. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Yes. Keep holding it. Yes. Bharat, pull your torso up. Yes, good. Stay there. Good, good. Bharat, good. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly come down the pain. Be careful. Yes. Good. Relax. Okay. Let's move to the next movement, which is your tiger crawl shoulder taps. And how are we going to do it? So first observe that the tiger poses, your legs are shoulder width apart, and so are your hands. Your knees are beneath your hips and your arms are beneath your shoulders. In this pose, adjust your toes and lift your legs up. So this is not touching the floor. Your knees are off. Now from here, we are going to do the shoulder taps. Tap your shoulder while you are in this pose. Okay, that is what you are going to do. So instead of being in the plank pose, we are going to be in the tiger pose today and do the shoulder taps. Alright, let's get ready. We will be doing it for 20 seconds in the first set. Take your position. 3, 2, 1, start. Lift your knees slightly off. Yes, and start tapping your shoulders. Very good. Keep looking straight towards your mat. Don't look down. Yes, carry on, carry on. 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. All right. Now in the next set, we are going to do it for 30 seconds. Okay, let's get ready. Take your position, be in the tiger pose. Start. Yes, good Mansi, good. Yes, Radhika, stay closer to the ground. Don't move up too much. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good, good. Okay, rest. Okay. Now, in the next movement, we are going to crawl in a tiger and then do shoulder taps. Just observe, it's a easy movement. It's just that we are slightly increasing the imbalance. So, we are here. What you do is, be on all fours, then slightly lift your knees up. Take 2 steps and then do 1, 2. Go back 2 steps, 1, 2. 2 steps, 1, 2. 2 steps, 1, 2. Okay? Keep doing that for 30 seconds. Let's go for it. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes. Yes. 2 steps in front, 1, 2. Then 2 steps at back, 1, 2. Yes, carry on, carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Okay. Now, in the last set, last movement, we will be doing a single set. But the movement is from the tiger you turn around in the crab and then come back again in the tiger. So we did this workout when we did our animal flow workout. So let's observe how are we going to do it. So you are here. Okay. Now be in the tiger pose like that. Now from here, turn around and be in the crab pose. Again turn around, be in the tiger. Okay, again turn around, be in the crab. Again turn around, be in the tiger. Okay, and we keep doing it, keep flipping, doing it for 20 seconds. Do the movement slow, don't rush. Okay, even if you rest in between, that's fine, but try to do the movement slow, don't rush. Okay, start. Be in the tiger, then turn around. Yes, good Mansi, very nice. Again turn around, yes. So when you turn, be very careful everyone, yes. Don't throw your body, be in control. Relax. Okay. Let's do the same movement, one more set, this time for 30 seconds. Okay. Let's get ready. Tiger to crab and then to tiger, then again crab. Keep flipping yourself. Start. Yes. Yes, balance yourself. Yes. Radhika, take your legs back when you come in the crab pose. Okay. Carry on 5 more seconds, everyone. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. We are through with our workout. Relax yourself. Get up, walk. You wish to have water, you can have that as well. Keep walking. Don't sit down. Keep walking. Okay. Alright, let's get ready for the stretching now. We'll be doing standing stretches today. Okay, join your legs. Knees straight. Lift yourself up as high as possible. Be on your toes and stay. Okay, drop your feet down. And now bend on one side. Pause. Come back. And bend on the other side. Come back. And now go down in the center, let your back hunch go as deep as possible. Touch your toes. And pulse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Relax. Okay. Now lift one leg up. Lift it as high as possible. Keep your body balanced. Okay, take this leg back. Touch your heels with your butts. Now from here, take this leg out and up. Out and up. You will be slightly bending your upper body. Okay, relax. We repeat the same on the other leg. Lift it up as high as possible. Okay, now take this leg back. Touch your heels against your butt. And now take this leg out and up. Okay, relax. Now, lift your leg up from the side as high as possible. Change. Lift your leg up on the other side as high as possible. Okay, relax. Now widen your legs. Take your hands down on the floor and keep widening your legs as much as possible. As your body weight is on your hands, you will be able to widen your legs slightly more. Keep your knees straight. You will feel a stretch in the inner part of your thighs. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your legs closer first. Once you have found your balance, then lift your body up. Okay? And then shake your legs. Okay. Now fold one leg. One leg is straight. Bend down. Pull the toe in. So pull the toe in. Okay, relax, change. Bend down on this leg. Go down and pull the toe in. Relax. Okay. Now from here we will be doing a camel stretch for our spine. So just place your mat if you wish to, otherwise you can do it otherwise as well. Okay. Now from here, first be in the child pose. Go down, be in the child pose. Relax your spine. Okay. Now stand on your knees. Legs are shoulder width apart. Stand on your knees. Take one hand back and lift the other hand up. Okay, come back, change. Go down on the other hand. Come back. Okay, now go with both the hands. Make that curve in your spine and drop your neck down. Okay, slowly come back. And now sit on your heels. Sit on your heels. Stretch your neck on one side. Okay, stretch your neck on the other side. Okay, fold your arms, pull from the elbow, look towards the opposite side. Change. Okay, now take your hands back and keep pulling your arms up. Pull your arms up as much as possible. Okay, relax. Now fold your arms. Now try this pose. If possible, join your hands together and try. If not, then fold your elbows like that. Okay. If you are able to join your hands, keep pressing your palms like this, chest out, back straight. Keep pressing your palms together. Okay, relax. Now lift yourself up and start walking on your toes. Lift yourself up, walk on your toes. Okay, relax. Start jogging. Shake your body, shake your arms, your legs. And we are good to go. So good going, guys. On Friday, we will be working exclusively on our abs and there will be some part of HIIT. Okay? So I'll see you all on Friday. Bye-bye.
Thank you.